Top of the top, scums and scumbags. This lady Scum here. Today we are doing an unboxing. Dizzy sent me a package from the prison, and I am washing my hands because if you know him, you know he don't play like that. From ELO. A detachable hoodie. Yeah. Bitch, I be on that fly nigga shit, killer shit, running several businesses. You know what the Ooh, this how you know my baby official. He sent this from the prison like this. Like, who's doing all of this? It's like I ordered a scum set. Like, I ordered that DónkeyAir Culture. Like, who does this? Come on now. Come on now. Like a real unboxing for you. Like, my husband gonna deliver every time. Like, chatting about, yo, this shit look like airbrush. He got it so crispy. It look like airbrush. I think it's like marker, but it look like airbrush. You look all folded up, all nice. Like, come on. Yeah, DónkeyAir Culture, baby. That's my gun. I smell his oil. Get that shit official tissue. I don't know. We might start the bid at probably about 400. What y'all think? 400. Look at that stitching. Is you fucking stupid? Is you dummy? Look at that stitching. Come on, it gotta be 400. Easy. That's light. Crispy, clean. Gotta be 400. Gotta be. Look at that. Too official. Yeah, that's vintage. That's vintage. That's why it gotta be 400. And I'm talking 400,000. I'm talking about just for the top. Not even including the pants. Like, but for real. Nah, as a set, I would say 400. Starting the bid at 400. Look at that real jean. Like, come on, is you stupid, dummy? Real jean. Like, where is he getting these materials? Yo, he called me and told me that was marker. I really thought it was jean. In the prison, y'all. Like, no cap. It's crazy. Like, look at that stitching. That's to perfection. Like, come on. Come on, stupid. Don't act stupid, dummy. Don't act stupid, dummy. Gotta fold this thing back up righteously. I mean, we don't even play like that. I just had to show y'all how iffy it is. My husband really... Yeah, all you have to do is just imposters, because y'all not him. Y'all not him. Y'all not him. All y'all imposters. Y'all not him. And we got the cargos to go with it. Like, yo, these shit is hard. What? Ain't no fucking way. Like, the fit and everything is crazy, bro. Like, I want to wear them. Like, I want to put them on. Like, I want to wear them. Look, he sewed the pockets into them. This didn't come like this. He made these pockets, look. Y'all see the stitching? He made them pockets. He busted open and put... You feel me? He busted open and put pockets in them. It's crazy, yo. These are regular, like, prison khakis. Like, come on. He made pockets right here. It was so clean, I thought they were made like that for a second. Yeah, nah, he made these pockets. Y'all see the stitching? You can see it's, like, not machine. It's, like, his hand. Like, he sewed this by hand, this pocket. Put this pocket on. Y'all see the buttons? He made the buttons. Come on. Don't act stupid, dummy. Don't act stupid. Oh, my God. Oh my God. One thing my man gonna do is deliver. Come on. Come on. You see the stitching? It gotta be 400. Easy. It gotta be 400. Vintage. Hand sewn, hand stitched. To perfection. And he made it in a prison, in the trenches. And it's clean. Cleaner than what niggas is making in the factories. Like, come on. In the warehouses. Come on. We ain't playing like that. Start the bid at 400. Who first?